Hey guys, I made a felt snowflake tree topper in Ornaments. This would work with any shape you decide to make. First I made my template. I made the topper for a small tree, so just adjust the size if you want to use the template for a larger tree. I cut out my templates. I pinned them onto 2 layers of felt for the front and back, and cut out my shape. Decide where you want the bottom to be, and leave a gap that your wire can go through. I sewed the front and back pieces together using a blanket stitch. Here's an example with blue felt. To make a blanket stitch, knot the end of your thread and place it between the 2 pieces of felt. Bring your needle up, wrap around the edge at a diagonal, which creates an overhand stitch, and go through both pieces of felt. Go through the previous stitch before making another overhand stitch. And repeat the steps. Add polyfiber fill and continue sewing. Knot the end and tuck it inside. Make sure that your wire fits. I use a skewer to create a path inside. I started making a coil by wrapping the wire around a marker. Then remove the marker and just use my finger. I made 5 rounds and left a few inches before cutting the wire. I stretched out the coils and bent the wire. Then place the wire in the snowflake. You could glue it, but I didn't in case I wanted to change the shape of my topper. To make the ornaments, I use a smaller template. The steps are the same as the topper. Just leave out the wire and add a loop to hang it. And here's how they turned out.